Lesson 1. Where are you from? Hello. Hi, how are you? I'm good. How are you? Good. Do you speak English? A little. Are you British? Yes. Where are you from? I'm from Birmingham. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Lesson 2. Do you speak English? Excuse me, are you British? No. Do you speak English? A little, but not very well. How long have you been here? 2 months. What do you do for work? I'm a student. How about you? I'm a student too. Lesson 3. What's your name? Excuse me, what's your name? My name is Paulina. What's yours? Simon. You speak English very well, thank you. Do you know what time it is? Sure. It's 5:10 p.m. What did you say? I said it was 5:10 p.m. Thanks, you're welcome. Lesson 4. Asking directions. Hi Michelle. Hi Amy. What's up? I'm looking for the airport. Can you tell me how to get there? No, sorry. I don't know. I think I can take the subway to the airport. Do you know where the subway is? Sure, it's over there. Where? I don't see it. Across the street. Oh, I see it now. Thanks. No problem. Do you know if there's a restroom around here? Yes, there's one here. It's in the store. Thank you. Bye. Bye-bye. Lesson 5. I'm hungry. Hi Nusrat. How are you? Fine. How are you doing? What do you want to do? I'm hungry. I'd like to eat something. Where do you want to go? I'd like to go to an Italian restaurant. What kind of Italian food do you like? I like spaghetti. Do you like spaghetti? No, I don't, but I like pizza.